When faced with outward opening doors, we normally force them by inserting the adze of the tool into the jamb and begin prying the door open. Unfortunately, on tough doors, we can't get enough leverage. A trick of the trade that you can use with a special type of halogen tool is to marry them both together with the forks. Once we have the tool set, we've created a cheater bar. It's going to put more leverage on the door. Now we can begin to force the door. Many times on the fire ground, we're faced with a very tight outward opening door. We're always taught to put the adze of the halogen into the door to get our initial purchase. A trick of the trade is simply grab the axe. It's shaped like a wedge. We'll put it into the door frame and we'll give it a couple taps. Or you can also use a baseball swing. Now that we created a purchase, simply put the adze in and begin to force the door open. Another trick of the trade is to use your hook as a hammer. Instead of going up to the door, putting the fork in and using your hand, or putting the adze in and banging, you can cause a wrist injury. Simply flip your hook around. Place your halogen into the door where you can get a bite, and just give it a little swinging motion. Use the tool as a hammer. Many times firefighters will be faced with opening multiple doors inside a multiple dwelling due to maybe a food on a stove fire or a rubbish fire. We'll have smoke on numerous floors. To vent the building, we'll have to open a lot of doorways in the stairwell. Normally they'll run out of chocks. A quick solution to this is to grab a rubber band, maybe off the broccoli, insert many nails, 10 or 12 penny. We can simply take a nail out of the bunch. We can open our door, and with the point of the nail, we'll insert it into the head of the screw on the hinge. The back of the nail will sit up against the doorstop. By performing this trick of the trade, we can open numerous doors in a stairwell. We can take the halogen and plant it into the roof and use it as a foot stop when we're cutting and operating on the roof. When we're done cutting, to prevent the saw from sliding off the roof, just twist the halogen, insert the saw handle, and now it won't slide off the roof. The tricks of the trade I just showed you in this video have been passed on from one firefighter to another. It's very important to keep passing these on. Remember, when your normal tactics don't work, you may have to fall back on one of these tricks of the trade.